have another Stitch Fix unboxing for you. If you guys are not familiar with Stitch Fix, please click on my link below. You'll get $25 towards your first fix, and it'll help me do more of these videos for you guys. I love Stitch Fix. In my box, it looks like I got 4 items, which here it is. Do you guys want to see? And then it looks like I got some shoes. So if you like these kind of videos, just keep on watching. So in the box, you get your items as well as your return bag. So anything you don't want, you put in that bag and send it back to the post office. And then you have your price sheet as well as your style card. And I will show that after I show the items. And Britt is my stylist. She's been great. I got her from Midwest Mom. I'll link her channel up above. And it says, "Hi Kristen, happy fix day. Thanks for letting me know you'd like a strappy tank with a cross front. I know you were hoping for a neutral color, but unfortunately we didn't currently have any in stock. The only tab we have in stock was this style, one by Staccato. You had a tie front top with a similar color and pattern pin. So I thought that I would give you could give this one a shot. I'll keep an eye out for another in the future. When scrolling your Pinterest, I saw this Kylie romper, so I couldn't pass up sending it to you to try. We also had a few pairs of strappy sandals pins, so I thought you'd love these ones by Violet and Red. Try them with the blush top by Market and Spruce or the crisscross top by Z Supply. I hope you like these pieces and I can't wait to hear back from you. XOXO Britt." So here you go. Here is the style card. So let's get into the box. I have the prices here. We'll go over these at the end. So let's put that over here. So what would you like to do first? I'm thinking the shoes. So let's do the shoes. Okay, so these are the sandals. It looks like they're pink, gold, and cream. So here they are. They look like they have a little heel. So these are cute. So we'll see what they look like. Let's see what the name is. So these are the Violet and Red Sydney Sandal in Blush size 8. So I'll show you guys this. And then I'll have the style cards on this side so you can see them. So let's go to the bundle that we have. Exciting. I'm excited about the romper. Okay, so that one's on top. So let's see what it looks like. All right, so here it is. Here is the romper. I just wore my other romper that I received from Stitch Fix the other day. So it's a crisscross front and it has a little tie. Let me hold this back up. It fell down. A little tie at the waist right here. And there are the shorts and here is the pattern. It's super cute. Let me hold this up for you guys. I did have this pinned. So this is adorable. I actually love Kayla products and items. This is the Kayla Marisol Knit Romper in Navy, size extra small. So if you guys want to get this item, it's super cute. The only thing I'm a little scared about is the crisscross that it's just gonna open up. So we'll see. Also, if you like this dress, I did get it from Stitch Fix, so you might see it in the video or I'll show it to you guys. So next item here is just a pink top. It's super soft by Market and Spruce. It's a V-neck. It's a little bit wide, looks like a high-low. It's a tank, looks super lightweight. So this is the Market and Spruce Tarza V-knit top in light pink, size extra small. Let me show you guys. There you go. Super cute. Look at the pattern. It looks like it has like stripes there, so that's super cute. Love that. Okay, so I asked for a tank with a crisscross in the front, and this is pretty. It looks like a light purple. In the picture, it looked blue, but I do like this. I like how it's scrunched in the front. It's a high-low, and it's a tank. I love this, polka dots. So this, it is purple. Staccato Katara cross front tank top in purple, size extra small. Do love this. It looks super cute with a pair of jeans. So I might have to go grab a pair of jean shorts to go with that. And last but not least, we have this top from Z Supply. I love Z Supply. I got a black top from them. I think it was one of my Stitch Fixes. Or no, it was my selfie styler, and I love it. So it looks like it's black, but it's gray. look black in the picture, but it's great. It's crisscross front. It's a regular tee. It looks a little bit longer, high-low, which I do love. And this is a very long name. Z Supply Mecca Crisscross Detail Cotton Blend Knit Top in dark gray, size extra small. It's kind of hard to see. All right, so those are the items. I'm gonna grab a pair of shorts to try this top on in the crisscross top, and I will get right back. Okay, so first item we have here is this Z Supply crisscross top. As you can see, it's kind of pretty low cut, and I do like the crisscross. It does sit up. I have it paired with a white pair of shorts. It does fit really nice. I do really like their tops. Depending on the price, I might keep this. It fits really loose in the arms. I do like the crisscross. I do like this a lot. So you can see the pattern. It's kind of like a washed out shirt. It is cute. Let me bring it down. You could tuck it in like this and wear it, but we'll see. I mean, it's super cute. It fits really nice. I just got a pair of white jeans. So let me know what you guys think down below. Okay, next we have this top. It is super low cut. I think there is I can adjust the straps to this. I do like the crisscross on this, and it does have a button here, but it is very low cut. I like how it comes to right the top here. This is pretty wrinkly, so I have to get my steamer out. But it's a high-low. I do like the polka dots. I'm not like hating it. So here it is. It is pretty. I do like the high-low. It looks cute with these white jeans. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna try on the other pink top next, and then we'll go try the shoes on. Next we have here is the pink top. It's a little bit baggy. It is really cozy and comfortable. So it has the V-neck right here, and it does have some nice sleeves. So here it is. It is super cute. It's just a plain top. I mean, it's something I could probably find somewhere else. So let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna try the shoes on, then we're gonna go to the romper. Okay guys, so I did try one of the shoes on. They are cute, but they're not really my style. They kind of like date me. I don't know. They're just not me. Here they are. They're comfortable though. Let me bring it back up. So they are comfortable. They do have the crisscross, but this crisscross would probably bother my foot. So they're cute though. I mean, they go with this top. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, last but not least is the romper. So my opinion on it, it's really cute. The only thing I don't like is this right here. It kind of opens up a little bit and goes down a little bit low. There's no pin, but, and the waist is a little too up high for me, but it is cute. It has pockets. It has a tie here in your waist. It's just a regular tie, like I can't change it up, but I mean, it fits really nice. Here's the top part. So I'm kind of teetering on this one. It is super cute. I'm gonna do a spin for you guys. Let me know what you think. I'm not sure what I'd be keeping, but I'm gonna come back and give you prices and review. Okay guys, so I am back. I'm gonna go over prices for you guys. So the first item, sorry, there's a motorcycle going down the street. First item are the shoes, and these are $59. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be keeping these. They're just not my style. The next item I'm on the fence about. I really do like this. This staccato crisscross top. It is super cute. And it is $34, so I'm not sure. It is cute, but we'll see. I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think. Next is the Z Supply top, and this is $38. I'm probably gonna pass on that. because it's too expensive for a t-shirt. I mean, I have another black t-shirt that I can wear, but it is super cute. Next is this Market and Spruce pink top here. This one is $44, so I'm gonna pass on that. And the romper, which I'm super disappointed in. Oh my God, like this was one that I really liked. It just did not fit me right, and I'm scared it would break open. And the romper is $48. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna be keeping that staccato top or anything in the box. I'll let you guys know in my comments down below in the box. So the total came to $223 buy all 5 discount, $55.75, and the total would be $167.25. So I'm gonna let you guys know what I'd be keeping, if anything, in the comments down below or in the box. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for watching. I do these unboxing videos, and if you do like it, please give a thumbs up, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.